we will learn Chrome extensions. Those are really important to add in your browser for work to Amazon FBA wholesale model. First of all, we will install Keepa in our browser. You have to write Keepa extension in your search bar. You will see those options. Then you have to add in your browser. Add to Chrome, then add extension. It's downloaded. Now we will click here in extensions bar. We will pin up that and it will show on your bar, on your search bar. After that, we will add DS Quick View. As it is, you have to write DS Quick View on your search bar. You will see those options. Add to Chrome, add extension. After that, we will add in our extensions. Now we will click on extensions. We will pin up that. After that, we will add any VPN. If you are not located in same location as you're working, so you have to add any VPN. For example, I added this VPN. It's already in. You will search on your Google browser. We will add extension. It will really helpful for you to find concerned distributor as well as brands. It will provide you a good results. So it's just adding in our browser. It takes some moment, some time. It takes some time. So now we will add. Yeah, it's added. We will click and we will pin up. After that, we will add a Grammarly. Grammarly is really important because whenever you are sending email and sending proposal to brands and distributors for a wholesale account, so it will check your grammar mistakes as well as your spelling mistakes. So it will really effective for communication. Now we will add to Chrome, add extension. Sometimes it's also takes some time. As it is, you will click on your extensions and it will also, you can pin up and you have to log in, then it will work as I told. Now in this slide we covered Keepa, DS Quick View, VPN, Grammarly.